Hello and welcome back to the another video. In this video I am going to show you how to download any website template and run it completely offline on your computer. So this is useful for exploring designs, learning HTML and CSS or customizing templates for your project. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. So first let's open the browser. Now in the search bar I am typing website copier tool and then hit the enter. So here you can see the first result, HTTrack free website copier. So this is the tool we will be using for downloading the website template. So let's go ahead and open the first official website. Now we are on the home page. So let's navigate to the download section. So here choose the version that supports your operating system. So since I am using the Windows 10 64-bit, so I will be select that option. So click on the download link. As you can see, it's a small file, approximately 4 MB. So once the download is complete, I will click on the file to start the installation process. So accept the license agreement, click next through the steps, choose to create desktop icon and finally click to install. So now the installation has been completed successfully. So let's go and open the application. Now opening the application. So this is the main user interface that appears when application launch. To start, click on the next button to start a new project. First we need to enter the project name. So here I will be enter the project name. So next we choose the location where we want to save the downloaded website files. So here I am selecting E drive and here I am typing the folder name. So to create a new folder, so this will make it easier to access files later. So once everything is set up, so click on the next to move forward. Next we need to enter the web address of the website we want to download. So now I am opening a website template in the browser. So for this demo, let's use a template from the free website template provider. So once the page is fully loaded, I will go on the top and address bar, copy the complete URL of the website. Now coming back to the application, so I will paste that link into the web address section. So and we can leave it all other settings by default. After that, click on the next and then click to finish to start the downloading process. Now you can see the downloading process has been started. So software is fetching all files including HTML pages, image, style sheets and scripts, everything which is required to run a website offline. And once the downloading is complete, so let's open the folder where the all files were saved. So inside you will be see several files and folders. So look for a file like index.html. So this is basically like home page of the website. So here double click on it to open the web page locally. So as you can see, the entire website has been opened locally in your browser. So it's like running completely offline and everything looks and works just like live version. So it's a great way to explore and use templates without needing internet connection. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friend who might find it useful. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep coding.